our partner puts in some force. We connect into our partner's structure, and then we send the energy from our body through their body and out. And do that a few times as a wave, so you really feel it. Then you open the Akasha around both you and your partner, and Juan's excessively sensitive to Akasha.
Right.
And then you invoke the life force from Akasha through, and you can expand the effect quite substantially. And that Akashic field that you're drawing energy into the pattern from, it's less of a wave and more of an opening the pattern from Akasha. And then switch backwards and forwards, do a few as a wave. Can I demonstrate on you? A little bit, thanks, Juan. So same thing, you connect, open the vital and extend, and then and look at the timing of his reaction in his body. You can see the mechanical changes in his body that are being influenced as he gets issued. And then as soon as you switch into the Akasha and then out of the Akasha, the timing's different in his body. Everything's happening more at once when he gets issued. So if I do it as a wave, you can see his structure changing as the wave hits him, and go into Akasha, everything moves at the same time. So do three as a wave, and then 3 invoking from Akasha, backwards and forwards.